Guys, welcome back to the channel. Alright, the studio rays. Listen guys, this is a quick unboxing, and not even unboxing because it's already opened, but a quick look at the 2-bird feeder. As you can see, I got this from Amazon. Just want to give you guys a closer look at it. What turned me on to this is the price, and it claims to be a 2-pack 2 feeder, so I ended up getting it, and here they are. And to tell you right, guys, it's just simple plastic. All right, for the price, I think I paid about $6, I think, for this thing. I didn't want to spend a lot of money on a bird feeder right now because it's something I'm just starting to get into. I'm not heavily invested right now into this whole bird feeding thing. Just something I wanted to do to bring a little more liveliness, I guess, in the backyard with the birds and stuff. So I picked this up, $6. It's plastic. I'm telling you, it's like you get what you paid for. So if you're looking to get this, just realize it is cheap. It's cheap. I had this one out for about a day now, and it's doing its job. And I was looking for something a little smaller for the smaller birds, because you know when you set up these bird feeders, sometimes you get the bigger birds coming in, and I'm trying to make it difficult for them to feed on this, which it has. So I think that's one thing I like about this. It is designed for the smaller birds. As you can see, the little, I guess, where they prop themselves on. So I know the bigger birds are having a hard time getting into this and holding themselves up. It's not impossible, because birds, they're persistent, but it does make it a little difficult for them to get into here and get the food. So I guess that's a plus with this. So again, it's just a quick look at it. What I'm gonna do once I get it set up, it's a 2-tier bird feeder. So I initially only set one up, but I'm gonna set the second one up now because, again, I want to get more smaller birds, and I feel it maybe if I have a 2-tier, it'll swing a lot more when the birds will get on it, and they'll just get frustrated. So I don't know, we'll see. But again, this is how it looks. It's very simple. I'm gonna set the second one up. I'm gonna put the second one on top of this one here like that, and you just lock it in, and then it's ready to go. All right, so let me get that set up, and what I'll do, I'll throw some footage on the birds actually eating out of it, and see what kind of birds are coming to the yard and how it's working. But you.